Hello guys, welcome to the video where we're going to be talking about the CPU100R, which is a PLC that is manufactured by Fulmatic Control Systems, which is a company that manufactures PLC hardware and also it creates SCADA softwares. Okay, so about this device, it is very compact. It is a small device. It has a program memory of 32 kilobytes and also a web server memory capacity of 512 kilobytes. It has 8 digital inputs and 8 digital outputs. As you can see here, these are the digital outputs, these are the digital inputs, and this is an RS485 extension socket. So if you want to have an RS485 communication protocol established into your networks, you can just come and join your extension module here, your RS485 module. Okay, and here we have an Ethernet port, so you can use it for Modbus TCP to connect with other devices and also for interfacing with your computer. So generally, when I deliver this device, I equip it with an Ethernet cable so that the customer is able to interface with Speed PLC, which is a software that is compatible with this device. It is an open source software for people who are using this device, but for other applications, it is not open source. Okay, and what else can we talk about? The supply voltage has to be 24 volts DC. So here we actually have the inputs and outputs. So these clamps can actually be taken out. That is one thing I just want to talk about, because usually the customer is quite confused. Okay, how am I going to mount my wires in there? Okay, so it's quite simple and intuitive. So what you have to do is just pull out the modules. Okay, and then here we have some screws. Like as you can see here, you can loosen them up and tighten them up according to your preference, and then install the cables, and then you have to put it back. Okay, so putting it back, you just have to be careful that you don't miss any pins. Okay, so after the click, that's when you know that it's quite secure. Okay, here we have a run and stop button for the PLCs, and we have some LEDs here. Okay, that signifies the state of this outputs and inputs, and also the state of the PLC itself. If there's an error, certain LEDs are just going to light up. If it is in run mode, certain LEDs are just going to light up. So that is it about the inputs and output. And also I want to talk about the real-time clock. Okay, so this CPU has a real-time clock that can last up to 30 days, okay, without power. So if you disconnect it from power, it will retain its time settings for up to 30 days. The consumption for this CPU is 2.5 watts. Okay, and what else have I left? I think that's just about it. The maximum cycle time is 65 kilohertz, and yeah, that's it. So on the next video, I'm just going to be making some connections, and I will be enabling some of the inputs and outputs just to show how it looks and how it works. Okay, thank you.